Section 1. Introduction. The invisible sea of EMFs. Our world hums with unseen energy. We've harnessed it, giving us the power of electricity. This power comes with a hidden companion electromagnetic fields, or EMFs. They're generated by everything electrical, from power lines to our phones. We can't see them, but they're always there. Most EMFs are harmless at typical levels. Our bodies have evolved to handle them, but as technology explodes, so does our exposure. Concerns arise. Could this invisible energy impact our health in ways we don't fully grasp? Headaches, sleep disturbances, even serious illnesses. Some link these to prolonged high-level EMF exposure. The science is complex, with no easy answers. Research is ongoing, and public awareness is growing. Some seek protection through EMF shields, marketed as a barrier against this invisible force. But do these shields truly offer sanctuary, or are they just a band-aid on a bullet wound? Section 2. EMF shields. User hope versus scientific doubt. The internet is awash with testimonials praising EMF shields. People claim relief from headaches, improved sleep, and increased energy. These first-hand accounts are compelling. They speak to a desire for control over an invisible force that may be affecting our well-being. However, scientific studies paint a different picture. Rigorous research on the effectiveness of home EMF shields is limited, and the results are often inconclusive. Many products lack independent verification of their claims. This discrepancy between anecdotal evidence and scientific data fuels skepticism. Furthermore, reputable health organizations like the World Health Organization offer cautious advice. They acknowledge public concern about EMFs, but emphasize the lack of conclusive evidence linking typical exposure levels to health risks. They recommend further research and advocate for practical approaches to minimize exposure. Section 3. Practical steps for a lower EMF life. While the jury is still out on EMF shields, we can take practical steps to manage our exposure. Awareness is key. Understanding the sources of EMFs in our homes is the first step. Simple actions can make a difference. Reduce your proximity to EMF sources like Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and Bluetooth devices when not in use. Turn off devices completely instead of leaving them on standby. Choose wired connections over wireless whenever possible. These small changes can add up. Remember, our lives are intertwined with technology. Eliminating EMFs entirely is impossible and unnecessary. A balanced approach, combining informed awareness with practical steps, can help us navigate our increasingly electrified world. This empowers us to make choices that prioritize our well-being without succumbing to unfounded fears.